it is useless to argue a legal point with a non-lawyer.
I do not have 4 years of law, but I have 29 years of lawmaking.
Nagyabang ka na naman? 29 years daw oh. Ang tanong, ano ang nagawa mo dyan sa Senado? Mas okay pa yung mga bagong senador dyan. Maraming nagawa, kahit baguhan, na tumatak sa mga tao. Pero yung mga nakapanood ng video na yan, Soto, nagpapatawa ka na naman. Ito, panoorin po natin bakit nagkakaganyan na naman si Soto.
Judge Alan Cayetano is recognized.
Thank you. I'm happy.
You may proceed, sir.
I'm happy I finally heard Senator Judge Erwin Tulfo is concerned about the justice or injustice to Vice President Sara. That's good news. Regarding the waste of time here, sabi ni Senator Joker Arroyo, it is useless to argue a legal point with a non-lawyer. When Senator Marcoleta brought that up here, nagkaroon ng commotion. Senator Miriam stood up here many times and said, kaya ka nga nagpo 4 years na law school at nagbabar. So let me give my own interpretation. The impeachment court is formed with lawyers and non-lawyers. And we interact, and it's for everyone, and we're equal. But if there's an engineer here or a doctor, and they talk about medical principles, I have to either study and argue on medical principles. Hindi ko pwedeng sabihin, hindi, ganito lang yan, logic lang yan, etc. Diba? So, ang legal principle natin today is simple, integrity ng court. So, allow me to mention that to the people and help educate my colleague here. The integrity of the court and the justices or judges is always relevant. So if the Supreme Court or COMELEC, Court of Tax Appeals, Sandigan Bayan is being heard and the judges are being threatened, you give them time. So we cannot take the impeachment out of context. May nangyayaring flood control scandal, may nangyayaring gulo sa Team Unity na hindi na united ngayon. We consider Senator Marcoleta and Senator Jinggoy political prisoners, weaponized yung Blue Ribbon Committee at weaponized yung ano. So Mr. President, hindi tama na sabihin na I wasn't, after we brought up the problem with NBI, they doubled down, naggumawa pa ng task force. I mentioned 2 colleagues sa Salian, I didn't accuse them. Sabi ko lang, just like Vice President Sara, just because tumaas ang Salian, can we already ask for the BIR, for the AMLA and the bank accounts? So sabi ko, yan ang i-discuss namin sa Monday. Nag-react na, nag-accuse. I did not take up your accusations here today. Si Secretary Vince Dizon, 3 beses na nag-verify sa Taguig. Sinabi na 3 beses na walang ghost. Ngayon, i-verify ulit. I wasn't going to bring that up, but then i-question ninyo si Senator Padilla. It was all over the news na hindi niya inintindi or he snubbed the ombudsman. I was going to stand up before Senator Erwin stood up just to say, may registered mail. So nung una pa lang, 5 minutes si Senator Tulfo, so I'll take the 5 minutes also if you don't mind.
The gentleman may proceed
Yes.
and kindly be mindful of the time.
Yes, I will now. So I'm just saying, Senator Padilla just stood up to say, sumusunod siya sa batas, tapos. Kaya humaba to, dahil nga, hindi importante ata dito yung integrity ng judge. Lastly, kaya sinabi kong it's useless to argue a legal point. Ilang beses ko na narinig dito, it's our job to clear or prosecute the Vice President. Hindi po. It's our job to try and to decide. It's the prosecution's job to try to prosecute, and it's the defense job to convince us na wala. Our job is to try and to decide. And when you decide, you acquit or you convict. Why is that important? These are legal terms. Hindi pwede yung nanonood na law student ngayon sasabihin, trabaho pala ng judge to clear or to prosecute. Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer, Mr. Senate President.
Thank you, Senator Judge Alan Cayetano. His remarks are noted. Senator Judge Soto thereafter, Senator Judge Padilla thereafter. The presiding officer shall make a ruling. You may proceed, sir. You have 2 minutes.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. President, the presiding officer. I do not have 4 years of law, but I have 29 years of lawmaking. And I move that the manifestations of that we have heard be referred to the Senate proper.
We will act on it at the proper time, Your Honor.
Ang tagal-tagal mo na nga talaga dyan sa Senado. Pero ngayon, anyari, ikaw yung pinagtatawanan dyan. Yung 29 years na sinasabi mong gumagawa ng batas. Ang daming nagko-comment dito, nagtatanong, anong batas ba ang nagawa mo? Ay baka hindi lang tumatak sa mga tao. May nagawa naman yan si Soto. Hindi lang tumatak sa mga tao kung ano yung nagawa niya. Kasi sa pagiging senador naman, andun tayo na gumagawa din naman talaga sila ng batas. Pero anong klaseng batas? Ito, Soto, ayon sa mga nagkomento at nag-react ng tawa na naman dyan sa ginawa mo. Sabi ni Kevin Kilario, 29 years ka na tapos wala ka man lang ginawang tama. Sabi ni Jay Bandoho, ang tanong, ano ang nagawa mo? Sabi ni Jing, lumalabas pa rin kayabangan ng mga One Ball University. Sabi ni John Tiangco, ayaw patalo, nagyabang ang graduate ng One Ball University. Yan ang tumatak sa'yo, Soto. Kapagay, itong mga to, sa sobrang tagal na dyan sa Senado, hindi na tinatablan ng mga komento ng mga tao. Walang pakialam ang mga yan. Lalo na itong si Soto. Kahit sa ibang media na inilabas yung naging reaksyon niya dyan sa sinabi ni Cayetano, puro tawa. Tapos yung mga komento, One Ball University, ano bang nagawa mo? Yung mga ganun. Bulaga ka talaga, Soto. Hanggang dito na lang. Thank you. Bye-bye.